Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aman Goraya. First of all, a very happy new year to each and every one of you. मेरे और मेरे परिवार की तरफ से आप सभी को नए साल की शुभकामनाएं. I hope this new year brings a lot of success in your individual fights. May it be for farmers who are sitting on Delhi borders, or a common living being like me who is working on transformation, or anyone who are working for a better life, happier life in their individual fields. I would like to thank my subscribers and viewers, as it is very encouraging when you guys share, like or comment on my videos. Going forward, I would be trying to be more informative with my videos so that it can help you if you are working on your transformation like me, or at least it would add to your knowledge which can be benefited if you want to follow a healthier lifestyle. Let's kickstart New Year with this video where I would be sharing weekly update on my weekly workouts. Further details on my workout, how many approximate calories I am able to burn through this workouts for reference, and lastly my weekly results. So stay tuned, I will catch up with you guys at the other end of the video. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back. So we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is how many calories do you burn while performing a specific physical activity. So in this video I would be referring to only those activities which I have covered as my workout, and I will also share the links to various websites from where I have taken this information, and I will share it in description below for your reference so that you can refer to other activities as well in which you might be interested. You might be thinking why it is important to understand this information by performing some activity, how many calories you would burn. So first important is when you are working towards a specific goal, it could be fat loss, muscle gain or overall body toning. That time you would like to achieve that result within a specified time, and if you can make it more efficient, that is if you can achieve that in less time, that would be a desired result, right? So by comparing different activities, you can understand how many calories each activity is burning, and accordingly you can plan your workout. As per me, there are majorly two benefits of having this information, which activity would require how many calories. So first is you can mix and match your workout as per your goal. That is, if you want to lose fat, then you can select jump rope over running. Still, it would help you to lose fat easily and much earlier as compared, this is just comparatively, as compared to running. Second benefit is you can select exercises based on your liking. Today I am performing jump rope running, but if I like running more, I can still go with running, because jump rope and running to an extent help to burn same amount of calories. But once you have all the list of activities, then you can do a selection. Then you get that freedom to select which activity is more of liking to you and which aligns more towards your goal. If you have multiple options with you, like one activity is not of your liking, or due to some issue you are not able to perform that, and if you have the full list of activities, you can compare various activities and see which activity is possible for you, and if it can give you the same benefit as compared to the other. Why this is important is because if you are working on something and if you are forced to do something which you don't like, then chances are very rare that you will stick to that program. But if you get something which is of your liking, you are more likely to stick to the program and achieve results. Along with benefits, one more point to emphasize is that to lose a half kg of body fat, you need to burn 3500 calories. And if you divide this on a daily basis target, it would come down to 500 calories a day. If you are equipped with this information, which activity requires how many calories, it would help you to design your workout for the week so that you achieve the desired calories deficit. I don't mean that it would be only through workout that you would be achieving a calorie deficit, but it would give you an idea how much your workout is helping you to achieve your goals. Now coming back to the title of this video, how I am able to burn 600 calories with a 45 minutes of workout. So this would also give you an sample for reference. So as you are already aware, I perform jump ropes on daily basis and approximately 1100 jump ropes. So in this case, as per the data, 440 calories are required if you perform this activity for 30 minutes. So for 1100 jump ropes, I require approximately 15 minutes of workout. So it would be directly proportional 50%. So it would be 220 calories. And secondly, one more point to highlight. This is referencing to a person who has a body weight of 84 kgs and I currently weight around 100 kgs. So when your body weight is higher, then it requires more calories to perform activities. But still we will stick to the data which we have right now. Second activity which I perform is running. That is approximately 5 kilometers and it requires me to more than 30 minutes to complete 5 kilometers. So in this case it is 400 calories. So here itself I achieve around 620 calories of burning. And as you have seen my workout, so along with running I also perform battle rope activity, right? So which takes me around 4 minutes, 30 seconds of 8 sessions. So it is approximately 40 calories. So in total, in this one session itself, I burn around 660 calories. So this is just for your reference. This is as per my liking. But you can mix and match. And you can also refer the links which I have shared already. There are many activities. So whatever activities you like, you can see how many calories that would help you to burn. And accordingly, you can add those calories in your daily workout, which I believe everyone would prefer, to have an independence to choose which activity you would like to perform. Now let's reveal result for this week. First of all, this week was not that great. I was not able to complete all my workouts as per the plan and there were multiple reasons, or you can say excuses, but let's keep them aside and we'll discuss those in my next video. For this week, I've lost almost 1.25 kgs of body weight, but along with this, my scale also shows that I've gained some fat percentage. I believe this is the time that I focus more on protein intake so that I'm able to retain my muscle mass. Still, I'm happy. The start of the year has been great and as per my expectation, and I hope that I'm able to achieve my targets sooner in this year. Thank you everyone for taking out time to watch my video. Please like my video and share it with someone who might find it useful. Those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will catch up with you guys in next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.